Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for those who've been subscribing, liking, viewing my videos. You guys are the real MVPs. Thank you for reaching me to 1000 views in one of my videos. Oh my god, it's like a dream come true. Thank you guys. For those who are new here, welcome to my channel. So we're going to do a very simple eyebrow tutorial for the people who have very light or very sparse or very scarce eyebrows. So stay tuned. I'm just going to take a razor blade and shave what's excess. So I have a mirror here, this is bigger, so I'm going to be looking down here a lot. So and that's it. My eyebrow is done. I'm going to do the other one off camera, of course, and I'll be back. Sorry, I have a flu. As usual, I am using the Davis number 3 eye pencil. Oh my god, I need to sharpen this real quick. So yeah, you don't want hey, my nails are popping. You don't want a sharp tip or a blunt one, just apo katikati. So we start with this side. Obvious, then I'm going to do the other one off camera or not. Let's see. So don't start from the front here. We want a very natural look. So just start where your hair starts. Oops, sorry, just went a little bit low. You want to do very light strokes, just how your hair grows normally. And don't fikisha it huku mwisho, just kwenye tu nywele yako inaisha. A tip for where your brow should end: just hold your eye pencil from the end of your nose and see, that's where your eyebrow should end. Sifikishe huku chini, please. So the bottom is done. We're going to go with the top part. For the top part, go a little bit deeper from where you started your bottom line. Just there. And just do the same. Yeah, and just take your pencil and feel If you have full eyebrows, this part is not necessary for you. Just look underneath. Then when you get to the front, what you want to do is hold your pencil and stroke upwards, not this direction, because at the front your hair goes upwards. This side it goes slanting. So just do that and stroke, 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 stroke. Very lightly. Don't need a heavy hand for this. And yeah, you're going to take your spoolie. This spoolie, I got it, I just use a finished up mascara and I just rinsed off and I have me a spoolie. So just, oh sorry, you're supposed to start with down strokes, then up strokes. See? Then you're going to take your concealer and your angled brush or any other clean brush, I guess, I don't know what to call it. You can use either this type of brush, I don't know if you can see that, or an angled brush and concealer. I am using Illegal shade Fun. You're going to need a concealer that is a shade or 2 shades lighter than your face. Just blend that out really well. We don't want the harsh line that we usually see on people's brows. So after that, I am going to do my, just add powder so that to set that concealer. I am using this brush thingy and Fit Me powder, yeah, Toffee 330 Toffee 330. So just go in and press that in. And yeah, you have yourself a natural looking brow. So if you have gel, eyebrow gel, you can add it on at this stage, but I don't. So yeah, this is how I do my brows, guys, and they look really natural. Yes, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple tutorial of how to do your brows and to fill in. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for all those you've subscribed. Thank you for getting me to 1,000 videos on 1,000 views. Oh, sorry.